This recipe is really easy. And the reason I use fresh strawberries is because if you knew what comes in those glazes, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add 2 tablespoons of salt. We add the salt to make them sweat and bring out their natural juices and sugar. The pound cake, notice it's very condensed all the way around. Baked firmly, brown and soft, and on the top, kind of like a bread. Pound cake is the best cake to make strawberry shortcake with. So, we're going to hold the knife in the middle, and we basically want to cut off the top. And we're going to leave a nice island at the bottom. We roll it over, and you lay it flat just like that. And with the strawberries, we're going to add a cup of sugar. Notice I didn't pinch the sugar. Gives you a more even flow when you flow it out this way. We're going to add 2 teaspoons per half of vanilla. So I'm just going to pour it in one of my measuring dishes. 1, 2. Drop of 2 per strawberry. If you do both halves at one time, you might miss a strawberry. So this keeps you accurate. I know by the time I get to the middle, I need to be focusing on 2 more teaspoons of vanilla. Now, we're going to go back to the pound cake. If you want to be fancy or make it look really pretty, I would take the time to pre-wash some of the strawberries, leaving the leaf on them, and then placing them around your serving dish. If you notice, I'm not using a chopping board. What for? This is the easiest recipe ever. Next is whipped cream. So we're just going to put this on here like you're frosting a cake. Who hasn't frosted cake? Now, I'm going to remove the top piece, so therefore, we can move and center the bottom piece. You know why? Because we want to get all the edges. Yummy. Notice as I press, it starts falling over the edges on its own for our condensed glazed strawberries. See how quick that was? We use the babies as like little fillers. You want to take your time. You want to make sure everybody gets a bite of some type of little strawberry. Next, remember the top? We're going to place it back on there just as we cut it. Just a little tap. Last of the whipped cream will go on top and all edges. It's okay to do big dips at the top because we're going to spread it evenly and let it fall down. We're going to take the last of the glaze. These are just going to go on top so that it's plentiful. Yummy! And there goes your strawberry shortcake.